Hi, thanks for joining us and coming back. We've had a request for a list of some very specific words we're going to go over real briefly, so I'm hoping those will be helpful for you as well. The first word is concrete. 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 We're going to make a C in our dominant hand. We're going to turn it palm up. We're going to have our non-dominant hand and we're going to knock against it. Concrete. 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 Asphalt. Asphalt. There is no C sign for asphalt, so typically we would spell it asphalt. However, knowing the person that requested this, if this is a term you're using daily on a work site and signing is not second nature to you yet, and you need an easy way to be communicating this, you could create what we would call a home sign, a sign created by you and your deaf person to use in a very specific situation and locale, knowing that it's not necessarily an official sign, but if it helps you communicate on the day to day, that's fine as well. So for that, I might recommend taking an A hand shape in our dominant hand. We're going to turn it palm up, just like we did with concrete. And we're going to say asphalt, asphalt. Again, this isn't a real sign, but if this helps you in a day-to-day job site communication, then, honestly, just go for it. Wood, wood. We're gonna make a W in our dominant hand. We're gonna rest our elbow on our non-dominant arm and wood, like trees, a series of trees. Wood, wood. Saw. Sometimes these really make a lot of sense. We're gonna have that flat hand again. We're gonna have a flat hand here. Saw, saw. Makes a lot of sense. Saw. Cut. Same flat hand again. We're gonna do the scissors thing we like to do when we were kids. Cut, cut, cut. Form. That one we're gonna take two of the F hand shapes, palm out. We're gonna make a shape. Form, form. Now, if you haven't been reviewing your alphabet, I'm going to try to link that either below or if they do that up in the corner thing. I'm not sure how to do that, but it's really important to keep reviewing the ABCs and the hand shapes because those are what are used to create all of the signs. And if those are clear and concise, then your signing is going to be that much clearer. So form is two F hand shapes. Then we have frame. That one actually is made with that G hand shape and we're going to outline a frame, frame, frame. Metal, metal. We're going to have a kind of a forehand here, and then we're going to have that M, but we're going to extend that M out and metal, like we're trying to strike, start a fire thing. Metal, metal. Inch. We're going to take an index finger in our non-dominant hand and a little I in our dominant hand. Inch, like we're measuring where that is. If we needed multiples of this, we would sign inches. Inches, we're adding the S to that. Inches. Feet. Dominant hand is going to make that F hand shape again with palm out. Flat hand. Feet. Two downward movements. If we did just one, guess. What do you think? Foot. Foot. If we have two movements, feet. Feet. Hoe. Hoe. We're going to do that bent hand shape with a flat hand. Hoe. Makes a lot of sense, especially when you're talking about your machinery. Hoe. Rack. Two R's, but we're going to go palm down and we're just going to outline a rack. Rack. Have you seen that metal rack? How many feet is it? Uh, where is the saw? Did you cut the wood? Have you started the concrete work yet? Keep practicing. If you have questions or suggestions, words you'd like to hear, please comment below. Please like, subscribe, and keep watching. If I think people are watching, I'm going to do a ton. If nobody's watching, I'm just sad and I might not. So please keep commenting. Let me know what you guys would like to see. We've got thousands of signs. I would love to share them with you. Hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.